What's up, guys? My name's Jamie, and today we are going to be opening Pokemon cards. Now, so guys, I never done this before, so we are going to pretty much be able to do this right now. Okay, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Okay, so let's get started with Steam Siege of 3. Now, I'm going to put 3 cards in front of each of them. And we are going to definitely pretty much be able to do that. But we gotta... do the same. If we get a 3-way same, that is going to be awesome. And we didn't get a 3-way same. But that's okay. Damn, I'm bending. Oh! Where did it go? Found it. This one. So we got a Tapu Koko. Whoops. That's just flied. Okay. Good. Last one of this one. Yo, if we got of a 2-way, that would have been awesome. So we're gonna start with this side. Ooh. Come on. Here we go. There's a go-kart. Put it right there. 3, 2, front. Alright, so we start up of a trainer called Captivating Pokepuff. Skiploom. Halucha. Seedot. Fletchling. Clauncher. A palm. Gotta say that right. Yanma. Rare of Pokemon Ranger, and the last card is a holo rare Clang. So that's weird. Alright, next pack. Oh, forgot to put the pack over here. Alright. There's the code card. Straight to front. Alright. Nidorino. Zuelaus. Monferno. Mankey. Don't. Drifloon. Seedot. Sneasel. Okay, rare. Balug. And the last card, Primeamoeba. Rewind. Double in. Okay. Alright. Last pack of this one. And we are moving on. I keep on forgetting to put that up there. Okay. Here's the code. Okay. 3 to front. I don't feel anything. Okay. Halucha. Anorith. Persian. Seedot. Sneasel. Oshawott. Fletchling. Ooh, that's it. Larvesta. Reverse. Reverse rare Dieno and Doink. Oh, a Pyroar. Well, those packs sucked. Now it's time to move on to the Sun and Moon Guardian Rising. Okay. 3 cards to the front. I'll pretty much be. I know you can see the pack right there. Okay. Is the code? You got it? Now I'm only doing 3. Okay. Field the blower. Gothorita. Energy recycler. Tailo. Rockruff. Gumi. Slow poke. Oh, I see something. Mud Bray. Oh! Rewind. Where's the card? Found it. Brr, 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 brr. Another energy recycler. And doink! Ah! Heliolisk. Heliolisk. And it's electric energy. So that sucks. Alright. Next pack. Okay. There's the code. Okay. Wait. Lamo Mama. Choice Band. Van Illish. Alolan Sandshrew. Snow type. Probably. Tony. Bellsprout. I learned that. Gligar. Alolan Geodude. And another Gumi. I'm not gonna do the brr, 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 brr. And drink. Mud Slide. And it's a fairy energy. That sucks as well. Okay. Last pack. Oh, that got stuck on my hand. And I just hurt my nail. Or, I just hurt something else. Okay. Alright. You got the code? 1, 2, 3. Okay, turn. Oh, wait. Leaf energy. Leaf energy. Whimsicott. Marini. Hala. Patrat. Litwick. Pancham. Snorunt. Cast form. Okay. Reverse pass. And dark. Oricorio. Yeah, that sucked. But we only got this. That sucks. But I think it was a great video. Anyway, if you guys like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll post more Pokemon videos for you guys. Okay? Bye. And plus, all these code cards would be really good. Would be really good for the whole thing. Anyway, bye guys. Oops. Almost knocked over the camera. Bye.